Welcome to Who Am I? Can you guess the 3 players before they reveal themselves? First up, the easy round. I am 28 years old. I've played in England, Italy and Germany. I'm a striker, one of the best in the world. I'm the greatest striker to play for Arsenal. I rub some people up the wrong way, and I've rubbed up the wrong way against a car. I've been caught with my pants down. I saved Giroud Lander's life. Who am I?
If you ask me if I'm one of the best strikers in the world, I'd say yes, because I believe it.
I was Lord Bentner. Next up, the medium round. I was born in a place with the same name as a vegetable in 1993. I won the Ebony Shoe Award in 2014. I could drink Umbongo and play for DR Congo, but don't. I scored 1 goal for my nation in Euro 2016. Crystal Pardew and West Ham has tried to sign me for over £30 million. I've played for these teams. At my new club, I've taken the squad number made famous by Jody Morris. My nickname is the Batsman. Who am I? Batshuayi. And finally, the hard round with fewer clues. My full name is 4 words long, though you probably only know 2. I started as a defensive midfielder before moving back. I played for San Lorenzo and then won the Copa del Rey in 2006 and lost the UEFA Cup final in 2007 with Espanyol. I've won as many Copa Americas and World Cups as my international teammate Messi. And I've won 6 trophies in England. Who am I? He was Pablo Zabaleta. How many players did you get before they revealed themselves? And don't lie. Would you like to see a video like this every week or not? Comment below and click I to vote. Thanks for watching. I better get back to making new characters. Bye.